Maybe you've seen this in your ensemble. People not speaking up, languishing even in the music making, outbursts, unresolvable conflict. These types of withdrawal and desperation, they're not character flaws. They're actually symptoms of unmattering. Unmattering is the feeling that you do not matter, you're not valuable, your contributions don't matter, and you're easily replaceable. Our modern workplaces make us feel this way. And yes, even in the artistic spaces where we see glamour on stage. You know that musician who sits invisibly on a stage of 75 people? They experience unmattering. So, what if the solution here is the opposite? Mattering. Mattering is knowing that you make a difference, feeling like your specific contributions are seen, respected, and valued. When people feel like they matter, they grow the belief that they have inherent worth and they have inherent capability because they're actively given evidence for both. Now, this is incredibly challenging to achieve in musical spaces because we're so used to the lack of evidence of our worth and capability. We focus on the wrong notes, incorrect interpretation, how much we have yet to prove. We've adopted a norm of never good enough. And in a way, we're kind of proud of being never good enough. I've realized that unmattering rarely happens because of malice. It happens because of neglect, because we don't focus on nurturing the idea that we matter. And when people feel like they matter, they act like they matter. When people feel like they're irreplaceable, they act like they're irreplaceable. So here's my question for you. What's one way you could provide evidence of worth or capability in your next rehearsal? My name is Tiffany Chang, and this is Conductor as CEO, where I'm curious about ideas that help us become better arts leaders. If these ideas resonate with you, please consider signing up in the link below to receive an email with each new blog post sent directly to your inbox. Thank you and have a great day.